Hello everyone, in this video we will find square roots of numbers by different methods. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will find square root of a number by repeated subtraction. What we will subtract? We will subtract consecutive odd natural numbers. Those are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. If we have to find square root of 81, we will repeatedly subtract odd numbers. 81 minus 1, 80, 80 minus 3, 77, 77 minus 5, 72, 72 minus 7, 65, 65 minus 9 is 56 and 56 minus 11 is 45, 45 minus 13 is 32 and 32 minus 15 is 17 and last is 17 minus 17 is 0. So we will find in how many steps we have got 0. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in 9 steps we have got 0. So answer of 81 will be 9. So 9 will be the square root of 81. Now again, if we have to find square root of 49, we will subtract 1 from 49, 48, 48 minus 3, 45, 45 minus 5, 40, 40 minus 7, 33, 33 minus 9, 24, 24 minus 11 is 13 and 13 minus 13 is 0. So, we'll see in how many steps we have got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, in 7 steps we have got 0. This is how we find the square roots of a number by repeatedly subtracting consecutive odd numbers. Now we will find square root of a number, suppose 324. We'll find it by finding prime factors. We will find prime factors and then we will pair them. So prime factors of 324 will be 324, 2, 1, 6, 2, 2, 8, 1, 3, 7, 27, then 9, 3, 3, 3, 9, 1. So these are the prime factors. Now we'll pair them up. We'll take 2 from pairs. Now square root of this number 324 will be 2 into 3 into 3. We'll take 1 from each pair. One number from each pair. 2 into 3 into 3. That is 18. So square root of 324 will be 18. You can pair it like this or you can write all prime factors like this. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And then you can take 1, 1 from each pair. 3. So this will be 18. Now if we have to find square root of this number 7744, we cannot do it by repeated subtraction because it is a large number. We can only use repeated subtractions for very small numbers. For this we can use prime factorization method or by long division. We will do it later on. So on finding prime factors of this number, take 11. 7 times 11 is 77, 0, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, again 2, 2, 1, 7 and 2, 6, 12, 2, 8 and 8, 88, 16. We can take 11. This will be 8 times 38. Now 2, 4 and we get 2. 2 2s are 4 and again we get 2. So factors of this number will be 11 into 2 into 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. So we can write it as factors of 7, 7, 4, 4 will be equal to 11 into 2 into 2 into 2 and we have 111 here, then 2 into 2 and into 2. If we take 1 from each pair, we get square root of 7744 will be 11 into 2 into 2 and into 2. That will be 88. You can multiply these numbers. 2 2 4, 4 2 8 and 8 11 is 88. 8 times 11 is 88. So a square root of 7744 will be 88. Now suppose we have to find square root of this number, we will find it by long division method. What is long division method? Suppose if this is a number 4096, we will take 2 at a time. We will put bar on 2 numbers, right? So we will take 2 numbers at a time and we will see which is the nearest number who has got perfect square. 40, near 40 we have 36. This is square of 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Because next number is 7 times 7 is 49, which is bigger than this. So we will take smaller number. Then we will subtract. We get 4. We will get down these 2 numbers. Here we will add these 2 numbers and then we'll write it here 12. Right? Now we'll find a number which when suppose we take 1. 1, 2, 1. Then we have to write this 1 here also and we will multiply it with 1. We get 121, but it is very less number. We'll take 3. 3. So we have to multiply, we have to put this 3 at the unit place, ones place of this number, and then we'll multiply it by 3 only. 3, 3, 9, 6, 3. If we take 4, 1, 2, 4. We'll put 4 at the unit place and then we'll multiply it with 4. 4, 4, 16. 1, 4, 2s are 8, 9, 4, 1s are 4. We see that this number is equal to this number. So we will take 4, we'll put it at unit place and we'll put it here at the coefficient place and we'll multiply it. We get 496 and here we get 0. So the answer of this number, the square root of 4096 is 64. Now if we have to find square root of 529 by long division method, we'll take 2 pairs from this right hand side, 2, and in the end we have left with 1, we'll take 1. Okay. Now we'll find a number nearest to this number which is a perfect square, that is 4, and square root of 4 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. We'll subtract 1. We'll get down both the 2 numbers, 29. Then we'll divide this 129 with sum of these 2 numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4. And we'll keep unit place empty because we have to multiply with the same number with which we are dividing. Okay? We'll try it for 3. If we take 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So it is the same number. We'll put it here and we'll put 3 at the unit place. It will become 43, right? 129. Subtract it and we'll get 0. So 529 is the square root of 529 is 23. If we have to find square root of 1296 by long division, how we will do? We'll make pairs of 2, this and this, and we'll find nearest square root, that is 3 3s are 9 because 4 times 4 is 16. We can use 3. 9 and then we'll subtract it, we get 3. We'll put all the 2 numbers here, we'll add them. 3 plus 3 is 6. And whatever we'll take, we'll write at the unit place. If we take 5, 65 into 5 we'll take, that is 5, 2, 32. It is a less number. We have to take bigger number. If we take 6, 66 into 6. We will put 6 at the unit place. 6 times 6 is 36. 6, 3, 36 plus 3, 39. So it will go by 6. 6 times 6 here. So 396. So on subtracting we get 0. So square root of 1296 will be equal to 36. Now if we have to find square root of number with decimals with long division method, how we will do? Again we will make pairs, and this time we'll make pair. After point we'll make pair from left hand side this way, and before point we'll make from right to left. Suppose we have 3 numbers, we take it as this 0.257. So for this we'll make pairs like this and this. We'll have last digit as 1 in pair, and now on the before point we'll make from right to left like this. This is how we do pairing. After point from left to right like this side, and before point from right to left. Again we'll do the same way. We'll find the number which is close to 12, that is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then again we will subtract it, we get 3. We'll put point here and we'll get down 25. We'll add these two numbers. 3 plus 3 is 6. We'll put it here, and now with the number with which we will multiply, we'll put it on the unit place. If we take 4, suppose 6 4 into 4, 16 1. 6 4s are 6 4s are 24, 25. So we have to take a higher number. You can also find that unit place we have 5. So we should take 5 here in place of any other number. So we can take 65 into 5. 5 5 25 to put it 32. Here and here also, that is 325. To get 0. So answer will be 3.5. Square root of this number will be 3.5. Now suppose we have to find square root of 2.56. So first we'll make pairs. Here we'll make 2 and 1 1. So nearest number from 2 will be 1 times 1 is 1. 1. We'll add these two numbers too. We'll place unit place empty. Get down 56. We'll put point here. Here we have 6. We can take 6 here. 26 into 6. Because we know 6 times 6 is 36. 6 is 36. 3, 15. Yes. We have 6 here. 156. That is 0. So we get answer 1.6. So square root of this number will be 1.6. This is it with this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.